back to Daytime Live as Dufton exaggerates everything. Yeah.
I feel like I'm just there and police has come for me.
That's okay. We're going to ensure that him sweat a little bit today because today we're talking about fitness. Summer is around the corner and joining us is Randy Myers of Myers Fitness Center. Hello, Randy.
Hi, how are you doing today?
I am good.
Nice.
We're starting with you, Dufton. Go.
But your business is a family-run business.
Right, so my wife and I...
Yeah, and it's based there in...
Ocho Rios.
Right,
for the past 21 years.
Why did you decide to... That's the business that you and your wife wants to get into?
Well, really and truly, it's a passion of mine from ever since, right? And obviously, I started... She get to love it so much. You know, after doing it for 21 years, you know, it's like, it's a network. You know, so of course, I always love fitness from ever since. I started in my bedroom in my mom's house, like literally 22 years ago. And before you know it, we are now a 24-hour operation in Ocho Rios.
24 hours?
Yeah, 24 hours for the past 9 years.
Wow.
I like it.
Yeah. Okay. So members have access for the entire 24 hours?
Right through, anytime, every day, all day.
No, man, I like this. All right, well, summer is coming up, and clearly nobody has excuses because you're open 24 hours. What is it about summer that you think that, you know, that's when some people get motivated and are really ready to put in the work?
You know, I was thinking about it. While I don't back summer body fully, I still believe that this summer thing, I believe in a lifetime body. But at the same time, I guess summer motivates a lot of persons to get involved. So it's a motivation, it's a kick. I mean, maybe it's vacation time, it's beach time, you know, I mean, it's time to take that break from school, you know, all these things. So I guess everybody wants to look sharp and ready. So that's what it is.
Okay,
no doubt.
What kind of, do you have classes there, and what kind of classes do you teach?
Yes, definitely. We do everything fitness, from dance aerobics, dynamic aerobics, spin classes, you know, I mean, step classes, you name it, we do it. Boot camp, and right now we're promoting the ultimate Com Camp, which is a boot camp.
Before you go into the Com Camp, interesting camp.
Right.
These different classes, they say you do a wide variety of them.
Right.
Do people have to pre-register, or you can just be there, see these classes going on, and just go?
The moment you sign up, it's one package.
Oh.
So we offer these as right. So it's one gym fee that covers everything.
Okay, so you can talk about the Com Camp.
No doubt.
The thing is, he's located in Ocho Rios, although I'm from Steertown. You're far from it, but that's okay. We can work out something.
We have online.
Yeah, that was about to ask you. So we have online, which is cool because another thing, we spoke about summer.
Right.
There's another element of motivation based on where some women are in their lifespan. So perimenopause is a serious thing.
Right.
And we're realizing that lifting weights is very important for perimenopause. Do you have any kind of classes that kind of focus on women who are probably in that particular stage right now?
Right. So let me just say this, that on a general scale, you know, that exercise and all, whether it's going to be weight training or cardiovascular or whatever, you're going to focus on yoga, mixed or Pilates. Generally, it's very good for ladies that is facing these hormonal changes.
Right.
As it helps to mitigate, you know, this, you know, I mean, the metabolic dysfunction.
Right.
Also help to control the cortisol level in the body, which is equally mean that you're going to reduce some of those stress. You know what I mean? Imbalances.
Yes.
It's a winner.
So general movements
across the board.
Right.
It's very excellent for these complications that we will naturally face.
So you mean husbands, spouses, brethren.
Randy.
Listen to me.
That's right.
If you see, just
that is it.
Gym membership.
That's right, no doubt.
And with that, you have a membership that you're going to give away, a free gym membership that you're going to give away.
Yes.
You're going to ask a question, or like first person can do 20 push-up and send the video. And
wow.
Right. And of course, anybody, well, I am sure this should not be too hard because I recently just said it.
Yes.
How long since we have been in operation?
So that's the question.
That's the question.
So the question for the free gym membership is how long?
For a month.
For a month. So the gym membership lasts for a month.
1 month.
1 month.
Correct.
Right? It is how long has your gym been in operation?
That's it.
Okay.
Too easy.
All right.
Myers Fitness Center.
Okay, so the first person to answer correctly, because Randy did say it, I think twice.
No doubt.
It's pretty simple. Just go on over to our IG and you must answer on the post alone. Just the post for this, okay?
Yeah, don't DM
no
me.
DMs.
Don't DM Sunny.
Okay?
That's right.
And you'll be notified if it is that you win this 1 month free membership at Myers Fitness Center. Okay, as we said, at social media handles.
That is right.
What's your social media handle for Myers Fitness
Myers
Center?
Fitness Center. That's it. Just the name of the gym. Myers Fitness Center.
I love that.
Too easy to find.
Simply. Can't miss it.
That's right.
Oh my.
So you're not going to talk about the camp?
Me want to know about the camp, yes. But I'm wait for you to do it.
Me not do it.
Okay. All right. Well, yes, the
Right,
camp.
so the camp, we started boot camp like many years ago, almost 18 years ago. And as we, progressed, we take on more, the boot camp take on more principles. So now as it is, it's more of a health conscious month.
Okay.
So for the month of April, it's a health and fitness awareness month under the same principle, camp. So we meet on the playfield at Boxfield in Ocherias every Saturday morning at 5 a.m. Of course, we partner with different institutions such as Train Fit Club, yes indeed, Madanjo and Sweet Energy Fitness along with My Sweet City. And of course, we encourage person to be a part of a healthy lifestyle habit. So for the month of April, is like when we have in Lent. You know, we have Lent where you say no meat. But come camp, we say, all right, then we're going to drop all the bad habits. So if you have this one single thing that is just beating you, let's work on it. And of course, we clean up the plate and we make sure to execute all of our exercise. Under no condition, we show no signs of weakness. After camp is like it bring that level of awareness, you know, where you want to just follow after persons that are, we have Biggest Loser as well. So indeed, persons.
So there are prizes.
There are prizes, yes, and there are a lot of giveaways and prizes, you know, and each week we do like a little fun competition just to motivate, because the idea is to motivate, because you know, sometimes you're in the gym and it's like, you know, you get bored after 4 walls. So we take them out on a play field and they say, you know, let's go. People from Kingston come down here.
Yeah?
You know what I mean? It's like...
So it's from 5 a.m. until what?
5 a.m. to... It's just an hour and 45 minutes for 4 weeks. In the week, we send you like task. Beautiful challenge, I'm telling you. So like you have responsibility, you have to report all your tasks and your routine back to, you know what I mean? It's like...
So there's accountability, right? So you don't drop
challenge.
off. That's awesome.
You know, so
I love that. So it's right. Myers Fitness Center, social media, and they can reach out and become a part of it, or just show up.
That's what it is.
On a Saturday morning.
That's what it is.
5 o'clock. You said Boxfield?
Boxfield Playfield.
Okay.
And we're inviting visitors as well. So if you are not doing the challenge, you can come on over and just, you know, be a part of the greatness.
I love that. I love that.
Sunny and Nisha can go to camp.
Yeah, because
that's right.
Yes, Nisha is going. As a matter of fact, as we talk about Nisha, I saw Randy practicing.
She's part-time.
Yes, because Randy and his team are going to be showing us, you know, a bit of workout later. And as I'm looking at them, I'm seeing Nisha because I say, I don't know if we can manage, but we're going to try.
She's a fire.
May I tell you? Dufton can jump in. Yeah, you should. So Randy at Myers Fitness Center going to stay.
That's right. Daytime Live will be right back with a brand new video from Jesse Royal. Why would you have to get out Randy?
No, we're not get out Randy.
You can't carry Sunny with him.
Randy, I go stay.
What I can.
That's right.
Push-ups.
That's right.